Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off data saver on YouTube. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Video streaming is among the most strenuous tasks you can put a mobile device through, requiring significantly more data than music streaming or even online gaming. Even short-form platforms such as YouTube are data quagmires. This doesn't prevent over 1 billion people from watching YouTube on their phones every day, making it the world's second most popular search engine and social network after Google and Instagram. With this in mind, being aware of your own YouTube data consumption is a useful habit, especially when mobile data is limited. Perhaps you're nearing the end of the monthly data allowance or visiting another country and want to avoid roaming fees. Whatever the situation, here's in this video I will show you how to save your data by on my previous video. I've shown you how to save your data by turn on the data saver and in YouTube. So now what if you want to turn this feature off because you want to watch video with a high quality? It's so simple. You can just open YouTube and tap on your profile. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner here. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option data saving. You can just tap on that. Here's the data saving mode. You can turn off this feature by tap on the toggle on here. So now, YouTube will not adjust the settings to save mobile data on your YouTube account. When you watch video, you can watch with high quality. YouTube will not reduce the quality of the video, and also when you download video on your YouTube, YouTube will not reduce the quality too. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off data saving on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.